Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. I wanted to let you guys know that that discount code is good for all of our subscriptions. I'll show you here. I'll put in the NASDAQ. You can see it's $89 there. Put in 25, hit apply. Now it's 66.75. The same with the annual and the video on demand. To go here, type in 25, hit apply, and you can see there the 25% is off. It's on all of them. I'll just do it one more time just to make sure. Wanted to correct that video so there was no misunderstanding. Okay, so let's get back to it. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. This is Tuesday, I believe it is, 8/8 of 23. We want to get our YouTube subscribers, as usual, caught up with our subscribers to our newsletter, which you just saw the subscription services there. Let's get with the US 10-year because it is so interesting, okay? And this is a shorter term view from that wave 4 low. We had a 1 up, 2 down, 3 up, 4 down. The 2 was a perfect 382. The 4 was a perfect 500 and a 5 up. Now we have an A. I might as well get those in there for you guys. Okay, let's get the ABC out here. Okay. We have an A down, a B up, and this is where C equals A, right at that fourth wave low. That's also where the 618 retracement is, and you can see right there it's like 3.91%. So we'll watch that play out. Okay, we'll see where that goes. Right now it went to the 382, could go to the 500, and there's the 618. I'm sorry, that's where C equals A, and that's where C is a 1.272. So C equals A at the 3.955. That bears watching because the next move up should be huge. Let's go ahead and we haven't done this in a while. Let's look at the Qs, okay? We haven't looked at the Qs. I'm going to look at it from the high. See, we had 5 waves up there. Where was that? This is an hourly, so let's back that out if we can. You can see we had the target for 4, and we had an alternate A, B, C there, but we were down there at Friday. I'm sorry, Friday, March 13th. Okay, back down here. Anyways, back in March we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's get back from the all-time, not the all-time high, the B wave high, or the second wave high, back here in July 19th, I believe it was. Yes, it is. And you can see there it's starting to trace out a 1 and a 2. Okay, that would be the 1. Do that for you guys. That would be the 1. That would be the 2. 3 equals 1 there, and here's the other targets. The 272, 1.272 is at. Let me get these guys out of the way. 3 can take on any of those multiples, including the further one. Right there's 1 down. There's 2 up. 3 hit the 1-to-1 or 100%. Extension, excuse me, and there's the other ones that went close to the 1.272. The 1414 is at 366, and the 1618 is down there at 363.36. So that's what we're looking at there. It's good that it crossed below that wave 1 high. We did the US 10-year. By the way, I want to ask you guys. Well, we'll find out. I know we had a lot of problem with the audio, but I did several things. I restarted, if you will, or updated OBS Studio. I got rid of the desktop audio. I disabled it. I changed the headset. Still no problem. And I found a speaker that was hooked up Bluetooth. So I just connected it, tested it. Sounded good. So hopefully this comes out good. Okay, we're looking at an hourly of the E Minis ES. You can see we had a direct hit on our upside target back on July 27th within a point. We have a 1 down, 2 up, which was a 786 retracement, then a 1, 2, 3 classic triangle. I think we've explained how back in 1996 I learned Elliott Wave by a triangle. It just so happened to be the first pattern that made itself available to me. I didn't see anything else, and so hard to slip a triangle past me nowadays, 25, 26 years later. Well, we had a triangle there. We had a 5th wave down, which completed wave 3. You can see that came within 2.75 points, 2 3/4 points of a direct hit there. After the direct hit on the top, we got the 3-wave bottom, and we got the 4th wave up. This was not quite as close. Usually our direct hits are within 0 or 1 to 2 points. This was like 5 3/4. It was pretty close. And then we were looking for wave 5 down. I want to show you guys our reports if I can. This was the one yesterday. I believe this was the pre-market open, and you can see there wave 3 down was complete. We're looking for wave 4 targets here. Okay, there was wave 3 and it went to 44.93. It almost hit the exact 1.618 retracement. Watch for reversal to correct this move. That's what we had the previous day. This was on the 7th, so this was referring to yesterday, which was the 6th. Okay, we said look for reversal and put on here it's happening now. Okay, and there were our targets. There was the 44.93, close to the 1.618 for wave 3. The reversal is happening now. Wave 4 up is in play. Okay, we have our wave 4 target there. So that was on the 7th. And if we can get to the next one, which was the 8th on the pre-market open, which is today. Okay, wave 5 down begins with the move below the wave 3 low. So there was our 4th wave target. There was the high the previous day. So we're looking for wave 5 down. There's our wave 5 targets. 44.80 is where 5 equals 1. There's that direct hit there, and there's that direct hit there. And we're looking for wave 5 down after we got this A, B, C 4th wave correction there. Okay, and there was the actual. There's our targets, and there's the 44.80 target. Okay, and then let's get into, I think we put out a morning report this morning. Like I said, we get more than one sometimes a day, sometimes 3 or 4. It just depends on how fast the market is moving. Okay, so wave 5 moves below the wave 3 low right there. We got it below. Again, we're looking at that 44.80 target, and got to get another update in there, but it hit that 44.82 right there within 2 points of our target. And our target where 5 equals 1 is 44.80. That move below the wave 3 low was our trigger. It was, that target was achieved, so the trigger was activated. I'm sorry, the trigger was activated, the wave 3 low, and that gave us the wave 5 targets to be achieved, and the first one was all but achieved. Now we'll look at that chart here, and you can see 44.80 low. We had a 44.82 actual. That is one down, so we should correct. As long as this is done, it doesn't extend. A move below this 44.82 low means this is extending, which is possible because we still have other lower targets here. By the way, tomorrow marks 13 days from that high. It would be in a nice Fibonacci perfect world if it actually hit a low tomorrow, but this looks pretty impressive to the upside. So our targets here, excuse me, the 382 is 4540.5. The 50% retracement is 4558.5, and the 618 is 4576.5. If you guys can't see them there, I think I have that in our morning report today. See if we have those targets. Those were the downside targets. There they are. There are the upside targets for retracement of that entire 5-wave decline from July 27th high. So this is a live chart here. It's about almost 6 p.m. Eastern. You can see where that's going there. By the way, this 4 was a perfect 500. I want to get that out of there because it's kind of getting in the way of our chart. There we go. We'll make that a 4, make that okay. So we'll see where this goes. Ideally, that 382 is right there at the previous 4th wave, which is another previous 4th wave. So that would be a nice ideal area to hit, the 382 to the 500. Well, we'll see where this goes because these second waves, as we've seen in the past, we see here there's another 786, and we go way back a few months. We had 11 retracements of 786 or more. 4 of them, I believe, were over 900 that all held and produced lower lows. So you get a wave down, you get a 786 or higher retracement, and you get a lower low. That's what we have here. So don't put anything past this second wave up. There's our targets there. The 786 is 4602, but we'll know by the internal wave count on the 1 and 10 minute charts, like we have here. There's that 4. We've got that up going. We got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See if it just retraces part of this and makes a new low. Then we'll know that those other targets are in play. Again, we can see those with our internal wave counts for the shorter term charts that we put out, like you saw, to our monthly subscribers. Okay, that should do it. We'll leave you guys right here with this here. And until next time, take care, everyone.